it's your favorite girl Nini Beauty. So today's video I'll be showing you guys the tips and tricks on how to avoid cakey makeup look and get your makeup to last all day. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family, okay? So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be doing my brows and I'll be right back. So I am done with my brows and I am back. So actually the thing that causes cakey makeup in most cases is actually your foundation base. So in order to avoid cakey makeup look, you need to prep your skin with a good moisturizer. So I'll be going in with this Eden extra nourishing aroma oil, but you can use any other moisturizer. Applying my moisturizer, I allow it to sit for like a minute or two before going in with the next product. So the next product I'll be using is a primer. If you're using a primer, always go for a primer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, you should go for primer that are very mattifying. So I'll be using the Pond's primer. What primers do actually is to control the amount of oil on your skin. Helps your makeup last all day. So I'll be applying that to my T-zones. So you need a primer if you want your makeup to be flawless and avoid being cakey. You need to apply your primer. The next thing we'll be doing is to apply foundation to our skin. So when it comes to foundation, go for a lightweight foundation as a beginner, and if you want to avoid cakey makeup look. So I'll be using this foundation from Maybelline. It's a Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. The cork is out. So I'll be applying that to my skin. So when applying your foundation, avoid packing too much foundation. You can use a brush to transfer your foundation. I'll be using the Zaron brush to blend out my foundation. Always dab and blend your foundation. Don't do like this. Okay? Just dab your foundation right into your skin. Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. You want to push that down to your neckline, okay? So we are done applying our foundation. The next thing we'll be doing is to highlight. So when it comes to applying a highlight or using a concealer to highlight your face, I would say always go for a concealer that is one shade brighter than your foundation. I'll be using the Spotless Perfect Camouflage Super Matte Concealer from Blossommakeup. So this is it. You want to highlight according to the shape of your face. When highlighting your face with a concealer, don't apply too much. So I lost my perception. Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take it? So when it comes to your nose, you want to like take it down straight, okay? So this is basically how I highlight my face, okay? We'll be letting this concealer sit on the skin for like 1 minute to 2 minutes before blending that out, so that you'll be able to get this coverage, this full coverage and flawless skin. I'm using this Wet Beauty blender to blend out my highlight. Don't push out the concealer from the area you kept it. So just as you can see, I am done blending out my highlights. So the next thing is to define your face. So we'll be applying this contour. I'll be using my Marykay. I'll be taking my Marykay foundation to contour my face, and I'll not be applying too much. So I'll be blending this out using my wet beauty blender.
Fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting.
I'll be using my foundation brush from Zaron to blend out the highlights and the contour so that there will be no harsh line.
Saying things we don't mean.
I'll be setting my face using my Kissbeauty powder. So I'll be using this to set my face.
You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.
So after setting my face, I would be applying my eyeshadow. So I don't really know the eyeshadow look I'm going for, but let's just apply our eyeshadow. When it comes to eyeshadow application, always use a primer in order to make your eyeshadow colors pop. So I'll be applying this, I'll be using this primer, this classic primer.
Now I got these voices in my head,
Using this color.
feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone.
So I'll be using a shimmer eyeshadow at the outer corner of my eyelids.
You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start
I'll be lining my eyes with my eyeliner.
over. We could start over.
I'm done lining my eyes. I'll be using my mascara just to make my lashes pop out. You want to use those lashes from Super Glamour. Next thing I'll be doing is to define my face. Zaron Face Definer. So the next thing I'll be doing is to blend out my highlight.
And I am here for you. Walk that extra mile, I would do that too.
The next thing is to go in with my glow kit. I've had this for the longest time, so I'll be popping on the glow.
If the end is near, just know that I
This glow is not your mate, okay?
got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it on.
So I am done popping on the glow. The next thing is my lipstick, okay? I'll wipe out my lips. After wiping out my lips, I like to line my lips, so I'll be lining my lips with my Davis eye pencil.
On me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got
So
you.
I'll be using this lipstick from Classic Makeup, Burgundy lipstick.
Baby, you should know I got you.
So if you want your makeup to last all day, the next thing you want to do is to go in with a good setting spray. So I'll be setting my face using this Kissbeauty Makeup Fix. It's a really nice product. I really like this product for setting my makeup.
We can leave tonight, leave it all.
So you can also use a beauty blender to push in your setting spray into your skin, or you can allow it to air dry. So I'm going to allow the side to air dry, and I have pressed the side with my beauty blender. just so you see how it looks. Okay, so I'll be taking this out and I'll let this part of my face air dry, and I'll be right back to show you guys how this makeup looks, okay, and do an outro. So this is the final look, guys. So the final tip is always invest in a good makeup product, because quality is always best, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, okay. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.